Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to use Kopy Shopify. This powerful tool is designed to simplify your e-commerce operations, saving you valuable time and effort. It helps automate the process of bringing product data into your store and generating compelling content. Whether you are just starting or looking to scale, Kopy Shopify can significantly boost your productivity and streamline your workflow, making store management much easier. Getting started with Kopy Shopify is straightforward. First, you will install the Kopy app from the Shopify App Store, which takes just a few moments. Once installed, you simply connect it to your existing Shopify store. Then, you can begin importing products by pasting links from popular platforms. The app automatically extracts crucial product information, including images and descriptions, saving you many hours of manual data entry. After importing, Kopy Shopify allows you to fully customize and optimize your content. You can easily refine product descriptions, craft engaging headlines, and adjust images to perfectly match your brand. The tool also lets you map product variants, apply specific pricing rules, and configure shipping details. Furthermore, you can optimize essential SEO elements, such as titles and meta descriptions, to improve your store's search engine ranking and attract more customers. The final step is publishing your polished product pages directly to your Shopify store with just one click. Kopy Shopify also offers built-in features, like product bundling and upsells, which can help increase your average order value by 20% or more. Remember to continuously test and refine your pages based on performance data. This iterative process ensures your store remains optimized, driving consistent sales and supporting long-term business growth.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.